Okay, we look cute. Yes. Don't worry about it. Listen, we not done yet. Hold on, wait a minute. Hey y'all, y'all already know what time it is. Chic here, Beauty by Chic, the life of chic. We are here. Chic TV, let's get it, baby. As you know, I will be doing makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, hair reviews, all of that. I do that. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we jumping right into it. On today's review, we are reviewing Remedybyari. I'm so excited for this girl. Why? Because she's an influencer, she's a mogul, she's a business owner, she's a boss. She really is putting her name out there, her face out there, and she, you know, the girl's influencing the girls out here. So you can't deny that. Honestly, what I got is the palette. So y'all see the palette. We'll get into the colors, all of that. I got some lip glosses we're going to get into, okay, and I also got a lip liner. Last night was her launch of the collection and I was really bummed because I didn't get to go. Shout out to my friend for gifting me these things. I'm so excited because, you know, when I can't be there, I'm gonna figure out a way how to be a part. And I'm like, girl, you gonna get this review for me because who better to do the review than Chic? Who better than to, you know, to do it? So I'm here with it. We jumping into it, and you know, y'all know I do this. But to start with the palette, we're gonna start with the palette because this is a 18 shade palette, okay y'all, 18 shades. We got some rose tones in here, some neutral tones in here. Just to go through some of the names: Daydream, okay, we got Daydream, Brown Sugar, Dubai, Diamonds, First Class, Bubbly. She do got a bubbly, you know, attitude. Rose, Irresistible, Crave, Lover, Obsessed, Cosmic. I like that. Champagne, Cocoa, Tease, Rare, Energy, and Karma. So I really love that about her. It definitely says a lot about her personality, and especially like her just, you know, naming the shadows these colors. So that's really, really cute. And I'm not doing a swatch because I don't want to mess up the palette, like COVID, all that, monkeypox. I'm not about to put my fingers in the palette. We're not doing that. But I will do swatches of the lip glosses. So she has 10 lip glosses and she also has 8 lip liners. So I'm really excited at that as well. So I got only 3 lip glosses, but my friend got it for me again. And then we got the lip liner, and the lip liner, this is called Souffle. So I am going to put the lip liner. Oh, it's real smooth. It's real smooth. I like that. I like that. So it's real smooth, a brown. So I'm actually happy he got the brown for me. We're going to get into these lip glosses because we're doing a review for y'all. What y'all thought? I said the girl need a review. So if there's other influencers out there, I definitely think they will be doing reviews. But I wanted to really just give the review for, you know, the review for the girls. This one night only. So I will swatch that. Very smooth, very pigmented. Okay. I love that. I love this for me, y'all. We back. We doing what needs to be done. Okay, Viral. I knew Viral was gonna be my favorite, y'all. I knew Viral was gonna be my favorite. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. So I'm excited about hydration. We gonna see. And then we also have Lover Girl. So, you know, that's cute. So I got those 3. Y'all see them. I really, really like the middle, and that's Viral. So I'm excited about that. So I'm going in with my eyeshadow primer by P. Louise in the color number 2, I believe. And this is because I really just want it to be pigmented. I think I need to start doing that. You see how that lifted up my eye, y'all? Ooh, needed that, okay? For a base color, and because I got like this pink dress, I'm actually gonna put on a dress that I would have wore to the event because I didn't go, gotta say. So I am gonna do a look based off the dress, so I'm really excited about that. I think I'm gonna start off with, this is so hard, they're all so pretty, and I love my pinks, so I don't know, y'all. Alright, y'all, I said I wasn't gonna test them, but I'm gonna test them. So we're gonna start with a brown. I don't know. I'm going to start off with Tease. So Tease is this color right here. I don't want too dark of an eye, so I am going to start off with Tease. And unfortunately, I don't have the packaging for the palette and all of that because these were displayed. You know, that's what happens when you go to an event. And we're just going to go in. I'm going to go in with Tease. So I'm going right underneath the brow bone with this. And I'm already loving the pigmentation of it. Not much fallout, which I love as well too. So that is definitely a good thing. Okay, I love this already. Not any fallout in the eyeshadow palette, so that's really good as far as just kind of keeping the palette clean. Because me, I hate when my colors start to look dirty, but then it takes a long time to even clean them up, so that becomes a problem. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same base primer, the P. Louise primer, and I'm going to cut my eyelid. So for some products I really am excited for her to have would definitely be an eyeshadow primer, a bronzer, because I love the way she does, well, they bronze her makeup. Okay, so I wanted to cut that, make sure that was nice and, you know, precise. And then I'm going to go in with, I was going to do a pink, but I think I'm going to go in with, y'all, this is like really, really hard for me. I'm going to go in with Energy. This is Energy, so it's not a pink, it's more like a brown, like peachy color. So I'm going to go in with Energy, and I'm going to put that right on top. And yes, it is a little hard having eyelashes already on, but honestly, it saves me so much time in getting ready that it just makes sense, okay? I do love the texture. I feel like this eyeshadow is not blotchy at all. And just a technique, if you do have lashes on, turn your brush upside down so you can get as close to the lash line as possible. And doing eye makeup, it's not a rush thing. You don't want to rush through it. You want to make sure that you're placing everything right where it needs to be placed. Look at that. Look at the eye. It's already looking lifted. It's already looking more youthful because we drink from fountain of youth, y'all. And that's one thing I definitely will say, like, Ari's makeup is always so soft. You know, yeah, she loud, she ratchet, she all of that, but it's very soft. She definitely says, hey, I could be a soft girl and I could, you know, still give it to him. So I love that about her. Okay, so this palette, to be exact, is $45. Do I think it's worth $45? I definitely will say it's worth $45. There's a lot of, like, James Charles palette, I think was like $45 to $65. So I definitely will say that this palette is definitely worth $45. I will give that to her. I think I got the Kylie Jenner palette for like $36, and that only gave us 24 colors, I believe. So 12. It only gave us 12. Sorry, I said 24. It only gave us 12 colors. So I really like that. And just to put on top of this, I'm going to go in with Daydream. It's more of a pinky color. Now, I could go in with Brown Sugar. Let's just see what those two look like on the arm. Okay. Yeah, we're going to go in with Daydream. I feel like Brown Sugar, so I did swipe a little of them. I would say, again, I'm not trying to dig in the palettes. I thought that was a cool thing back in the day, but honestly, I just don't like my fingers being all dirty. It's just a lot. So I'm going to take Daydream, and there's a little fallout from the Sparkle. A little fallout in the palette from the Sparkle. And I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put that right on top. This is giving, y'all. This is giving. I love this eye. I'm going to go ahead and do this other eye, and then we'll get into the lip. Yes. Okay, y'all, so I finished the eye look. I really love it. I hope y'all love it because this is the remedy. Literally, Ari says she came up with the name because it's the remedy. She wants everybody to feel beautiful. When you put some makeup on, you're supposed to feel beautiful, feel empowered. Like, I feel great with no makeup on, but when I put makeup on, oh, yo, y'all already know I'm that girl. So we're just gonna jump right into the lip. I am gonna start with the lip liner. And we said the lip liner name is called Souffle. So we getting into the Souffle and let's go. Okay, so this is going a little dark, but again, this is the only liner that I was given. So hopefully I get sent some more. I can do some more combinations and things like that. So we'll see. And this is Viral, y'all. So I do love this. I definitely want to put like the pink on top because I do have a pink look. So just to add a little something, y'all. And that was One Night Only. Okay, we look cute. Yes. Don't wait, alright, listen, we're not done yet. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I went and put on my dress because okay. But anyway, y'all, listen, this is the final look. I really love it. And yes, this would have been a look for last night, you know, if I was to interview her and talk about Remedy and all of that. Shout out to her. She has a show coming out on BET. You know, she is really doing what needs to be done. I love that for her. I love this palette. Again, just to give y'all some price points, the lip gloss is $16. The lip liners are $14.50. And again, the eyeshadow palette, I think we said it was $45. I think we said it. I think we said it. But yes, it was $45, which I did say that it was very much worth buying. It is also vegan and cruelty free, which I love for her, especially coming out as a new beauty guru. You want to know, you know, how your product can sell, who it can sell to, and being able to not limit herself in who she's selling it to. So I think that was really dope for her as well. But y'all, this is it. This is it. I love it. I hope y'all love it. Y'all hit that subscribe button and I will see y'all next time. Bye.